Maling akala, di mo lang alam itong sarap ay kaya-kaya. Tuwad, ocho lang, may Coca-Cola ka na. Pagkasasarap mo, kaya-kaya. Kulang, ocho lang, Coca-Cola, may Coca-Cola ka na. 237 ml, 8 pesos lang, SRP.
8 pesos SRP lang ang Coca-Cola. Kickstarter afternoon na. Tanong sa akin, Catherine, saan ka nagpapatingin? Sagot ko, Ideal Vision Center. Expert care na, free bulb adjustment ng frames of shades and glasses. Free case and extra wipes. Repair or replacement ng nose pads and screws, free. Isipin niyo, that's ideal care for us. I'm Catherine Bernardo. Tayo at Ideal Vision Center, ideal together. Malinaw, diba? Get the Ideal Care at any Ideal Vision Center near you or check idealvision.ph for more info.
Brace yourselves as we travel back in time.
Ate Judith, ay wala na. Ansel na lang. Ha? Ansel.
Bakit nagsasabi wala naman akong pera na?
Ano? Si Ate Luda? Sabi ko hihingi nila, o mayroon sila. Eh wala man akong pera. Mura lang ang
Kaya lang ano.
wala naman sila pera. Ano yun? Hansel.
Every single day. But when is it easy telling someone we're through? Oh, help me tell her about you. Please tell me everything seems wrong whenever I'm with you.
May ano kami, event lang kami.
Oh!